is the popular Jalan Kayu stretch that I come here often for the good food. But today is not a food video. I'm going to show you a cozy condo unit just around the corner. Located close to Jalan Kayu, residents can access a vibrant food scene filled with popular eateries and restaurants, bringing a delightful blend of local flavors and international cuisine. Hello everyone, this is Irene from OrangeTee AAG. Welcome to Parc Botannia, a luxurious condo conveniently located near Thanggam LRT. An urban oasis where modern living meets the serenity of nature. Strategically located near Thanggam LRT, this condo grants you seamless connectivity to shopping, dining and entertainment at Seletar Mall and Fernview Community Centre. Step inside this one-bedroom plus study unit. Thoughtfully designed to offer a functional and effective living space. The unit size is 506 square feet. There's a nice entrance to the unit which gives a perfect privacy entirely. This one-bedroom plus study unit boasts a squarish layout, offering a well-organized living space that's easy to maintain. The layout provides a flexible floor plan that allows you to personalize each corner, creating your ideal environment. The modern kitchen comes fully equipped with quality appliances and plenty of storage space, perfect for culinary enthusiasts or those who prefer quick, simple meals. The cozy study is a versatile area that can be used as a home office, a creative space, or a guest room. This unit offers unblocked greenery facing that provides a peaceful retreat, making it perfect for singles or couples. The spacious bedroom, bathed in natural light, features ample closet space and offers a serene ambience for restful nights. Ventilation ensures fresh air circulates throughout the unit, while the unblocked greenery views offers a tranquil retreat from the city life. Just a small analysis to note, for property investors looking for a 1+ study floor plan, our nearest contender is High Park Residences, which is just beside Parc Botannia. They do offer a 1+ study layout. However, due to the layout formation, the study is more like a study corner which cannot be doubled up as another versatile room on its own. Whereas Parc Botannia's 1+ study layout has the flexibility of converting into a bedroom, a study room, or even a mahjong room. Parc Botannia pampers its residents with a wealth of amenities, including a shimmering pool, fully equipped gym, lush gardens, and children's playgrounds. Hope you enjoyed this home tour. Feel free to contact me for any queries. I'll be happy to assist. Once again, this is Irene Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG. Thanks for watching.